In order to create amazing surround sound level bass that really rocks your car and everything, you want to get you some under seat speakers. That's an 8-inch sub right here. It's a little dusty. This is in my Jeep. I put these in probably about a year or two ago. Not sure. I got one up under the passenger seat too. But they're preamped 8-inch subs and they rock. They shake the whole car. It makes the inside of your car sound like a theater. It really warms the bass up. It really brings all the music in. So I say do that. Now, I bought this 2019 BMW earlier this year. And when I bought it, I was always like, man, this sounds so nice in here. I had no idea. They had under-seat subs in here already. So BMW figured out the trick as well. And factory, these cars come with under-seat speakers. When people get in the Beamer and we're riding and we're like enjoying music, they're always like, man, it sounds nice in here. They've got under-seat subs in here. I don't see one up under the driver's seat, but it sounds like it's one under the driver's seat. But I see that one for sure. And that thing is loud. So if BMW did it, I mean, apparently they know something that we don't know. But I know it because I put them in my Jeep already, and it really changed my sound system. Okay, I wanted to kind of give you a sound test for how the speakers sound inside of the car. Now, the bass you're hearing is actually from the under the seats and just that one little 8 I got in the very back. I turned my main stuff off. I got a switch up here. I can turn all my main stuff off. So this is what it sounds like. And for YouTube, I didn't want to get a copyright violation. So I'm using my own music. I used to produce music a long time ago. So I went online, downloaded some of my old music, and I'm going to play that. So YouTube, you can't copyright me, baby. Here we go.
Radio station WATZ, spreading back at you this summer. Cause when one of us falls, ain't none of us winners.
This would be a long time ago. That bass is
that bread in the
Midwest.
But the West is where I rest.
Use your headphones, you can hear the bass.
My head probably broke if I really wanna throw it. I ain't about to show it to the girls that I go with. My label probably blow it on these brothers that I flow with. If I see you in the mosh pit, I ain't about to throw it. That's money, money. You know what I'm talking about. I don't make it rain, I'm in pain and I'ma walk it out. Pockets kinda hurt now, getting tired of working out. They gon' lay me off now, like ain't so perfect. How funny it can be when we living with means. Up a string without a pattern when we live in between. When they roll in the Flintstones, nobody's home. All the money that I'm making gotta pay off loans. I need money, money, and I ain't about to splurge it. I just need protection from these domestic insurgents. Visa, MasterCard, making it hard to break in my yard. My neighbors gotta take in my dog. Hold on, moving to a condo, make a move pronto. And I get the point, and my name ain't Rondo. Home plate for the Lakers, get a job as a way to sell it. Hot potatoes, whatever I gotta do to keep these lights back on. Get some matches and some candles, let me write my songs, right my wrongs. Situations tight like thorns. I get excited like disciples trying to write these songs. I need money, money, money.
What I used to do a long time ago, baby.
What I'm saying, and you're tired of playing and say money, money, money. So we can all pay our bills, cause we keep it real and say money, money, money. We all knowing what I hope is, gotta keep it in focus. I'm saying money, money, money.
Yeah, but that's a long song. I did that song back like in 09. I used to rap a long time ago. So, and a lot of people know that from my Reverb Nation account. All that music's still on there. I should post a link to my Reverb Nation in the description. So if you want to hear what I used to do a long time ago, I used to have fun in the studio. Me, my man Arrow, all of us, man. My man Debo over in Germany. He was rapping from Germany and everything. My man Truth Knox, he was in San Diego at the time. So all of us used to work together to produce music, and we developed a lot of good shit. So, and most of my music, I know I cuss when I talk. I don't cuss in my raps though. My raps are straight lyrics. They all legit. A lot of the beats I used to produce. But I just wanted to let you hear how the stereo sounded in here. And I had to use my own music because copyright violations. So now, if YouTube want to have a problem, they got to have a problem with me. And I give myself permission to use my shit, YouTube. That's what's up.